Hello everyone, I'm Becky Chui-Valle.
And I'm Taryn Manny. We're part of the multilingual services team here in Ed Services.
Welcome to the 61st episode of the Cajon Valley Broadcast, May 2025 edition. First, we'd like to give a special shout out to some amazing educators who are recently honored for their work in biliteracy.
On May 1st, we had the privilege of celebrating our bilingual teachers at the San Diego County Leadership in Biliteracy Symposium.
Congratulations to Jacqueline Serrano, 4th and 5th grade Lexington, Mary Reed, 3rd and 4th grade Johnson, Rosa Ramos, instructional coach, and Rogelio Palacios, 2nd grade Bostonia, for being recognized for their outstanding dedication to the teaching profession and their commitment to biliteracy.
We are so proud of the meaningful impact our bilingual educators make every day. Thank you for all you do. A couple of weeks ago, our fabulous child nutrition department hosted their annual showcase, a behind-the-scenes look at how Cajon Valley students are served breakfast and lunch each day.
Families had a chance to tour the central kitchen and sample some of the same delicious meals their children enjoy at school every day. Check it out.
So behind us today we have our food and nutrition showcase. We have manufacturers and vendors from all of the different food products that we serve here in Cajon Valley. They have all come for families to sample all of our food. We are so excited to open our doors at the Central Kitchen. Everyone gets to walk through and see how we operate on a daily basis and check out our amazing equipment. We have a huge turnout of families and we are so appreciative to them for allowing us to feed their children every day, and a great turnout of our child nutrition team who works tirelessly to make sure all the students of Cajon Valley have amazing and nutritious meals each day. Again, thank you everyone for coming today and participating in this food show, and we will see you in the lunch lines.
We love our child nutrition team. They work hard every single day to make sure our students are well fed and ready to learn.
Absolutely. And don't forget, breakfast and lunch are free for everyone. Come to school early and start your day with a tasty, nutritious breakfast.
One of our district's most impactful initiatives is the World of Work. It helps students explore careers aligned with their strengths, interests, and values, setting them on a path to gainful employment.
As part of that journey, all of 5th graders get to experience a day at Junior Achievement Biztown. Here's a look at the 5th grade Eaglets from Madison during their visit.
World of Work is really important to Cajon Valley. It allows students to get exposed to different qualities that might help them find their careers in the future. So we focus on their strengths, their interests, and their values, and how that might pertain to certain jobs that they are interested in. Since students have had opportunities to learn about RIASEC and World of Work throughout their time in elementary school, we're lucky that students have had the opportunity to come to Biztown and take what they've learned and apply their strengths, interests, and values to Biztown, and then hopefully later on into their careers as they continue to grow up.
The JA Biztown program is a simulated city replicating the many businesses that exist here in San Diego. Through this program, students are exposed to different career pathways, how business works, and the entry point into the real world. This will be their very first job, and for many students, this might be their first experience seeing themselves in a future career pathway. Our partnership with Cajon Valley Union School District is a perfect synergy, connecting our mission at JA of empowering young people to own their economic success and the amazing work that they're doing around the world of work. Really preparing students to see themselves in future careers, understanding all the opportunities that exist to them, and reconnecting them to the community of San Diego and their role in it.
Biztown it's basically like World of Work come to life. So the careers that they get to explore in the classrooms, the skills that we talk about are required for those careers. They get to come and experience a full day at Biztown where they get to then apply that learning. It will ingratiate the skills into them that they might not be able to conceptualize otherwise. So I think when the kids get to experience a full day, their perspective shifts. They remember using the skills that they use throughout the day, and those are lessons they can learn that can last a lifetime.
I'm most excited about where Biztown is gonna get me now, and I'm excited that I know how to do certain stuff in business, and I'm just excited about use all the information from Biztown and use it in the real world and apply it to my real life.
What I mostly enjoyed about today was how realistic Biztown is, because not many places have this kind of environment, and it helps me understand more about adult life, and when I'm older it's gonna help me choose what's the best job for me, so it really helped me to understand my path.
I'm just so proud of them because they've been building up to this. They've put in the work to learn what it means to be a working citizen. And just to see them have fun today and actually apply everything that we've learned in this interactive experience, it's such a great 5th grade memory that I hope that they continue to remember and look back upon happily as they move forward to middle school.
We have so many diverse learners and students with different experiences in Cajon Valley, and it's awesome to be able to expose students to something like Biztown where they get hands-on experience, they get to try something they've never tried before, they get to figure out how adults live, how to have an adult job, and it's something they'll probably remember forever.
Happy kids, healthy relationships on a path to gainful employment. That's what it's all about.
Before we go, we want to wish everyone a safe and restful Memorial Day weekend.
And as we spend time with loved ones, let's make sure to take a moment to honor and remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom.
June and the end of the school year. Here we come!
Much better.